Hey guys, Don Martone here, Century 21 Northeast Managing Partner, Broker Associate. I am here live at my brand new listing, 31 Fuller Street, Conimicut, Warwick. This is an absolutely perfect condo alternative. That's what we call these tiny homes in the business. 800 square feet, one bed, one full bath. Everything you need, nothing you don't. What's better than that? Fresh paint, new fence, perfect yard in the back. The location, absolutely perfect location. It's cold right now. It's real cold right now, but come spring, come summer, you are on Conimicut Point, Warwick, close to everything, the beaches, the markets, the airport. Perfect location. I'm excited to show you this home. Let's take a look inside.